I am slicing some slightly stale hot cross buns to make some bread and butter pudding. Now you could use any older bread you have around, and then you're going to butter the bread, and we're going to put ours into muffin tins. I've actually put a little bit of frozen strawberry and a peach that I found on the side of the road into the mixture. To make the custard sauce, you're going to use some cream or some milk, and I usually say for about 5 people it's about 250 mils of cream. You can also add some milk, put some sugar in there, you could put some orange zest in there, and your eggs, and then beat it up. It's 3 to 5 eggs, and that will feed a family of about 5. I'm going to crack the eggs. I usually work with a lot of rescue eggs, so I always crack each egg individually. So about 1/4 cup of brown sugar, or any other sugar you've got in stock. A little bit of cinnamon. You could grate in some nutmeg, or you might have ground nutmeg. Maybe some allspice. Right, I find it much easier to actually pour the mixture in. Now it's going to be soaked up by the bread. At this stage you might think to yourself, oh, I don't quite have enough. And then you can mix in a little bit more milk or a little bit more cream to your mixture. Let it soak in for about 20 minutes. A little bit of sugar, either white or like this brown sugar, just to give it a slight crustiness. Right, a little bit of icing sugar dusted on top. And then you might like to serve them with some ice cream or cream, or a little bit of mascarpone